Put your legs down a little bit more. 1, 2, 3.
Can you find the number 6?
There we go. The ball. Yeah. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whee! 1, 2, 3. Oh, you want to play? Here.
Can you find the number 4?
Good job. Okay, throw it back to you and Christy.
Can you find the number 4?
1, 2, 3.
Bye-bye.
Uh-oh, be nice. Let's share our balls.
He doesn't care. He's so easygoing.
He's like,
That was very nice, AP.
here.
1.
There we go.
3.
Okay, throw it back. Throw it back. There, good girl. Ready? I'm going to throw it to you. There we go. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Papa? Papa? Papa?
We're going to do
3.
a very hungry caterpillar. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf.